Hello, everybody. Can you hear me out there? So, I'm going live because I've had a couple things happen today, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about it a little bit. I've had a ton of buyers call me and tell me that because I have this mobile home on the market, so I've been getting a ton of calls on this mobile home. But the interesting thing is, they tell me, oh, even though this isn't for single family homes, they tell me, oh, I don't have 20% saved to buy a house. And I let them know that you don't have to have 20% down to buy a house. I don't know why everybody thinks, oh, Facebook just told me to put on a mask and give myself a fun look. I think my glasses are unmasking enough. Anyways, I don't know why everybody thinks you have to have a 20% down payment to buy a home. You don't. You can do an FHA loan with as low as 3.5% down. You can do, if you need to buy a condo and they're not FHA approved, you can do a 5% conventional loan. There's other options besides just putting a 20% down payment. If you don't put 20% down payment, you will have some type of a PMI insurance, and that PMI insurance is according to your credit. If you have decent credit, it's lower. If your credit's not so good, it's a little bit higher. It's an insurance to make sure you're going to make your mortgage payment. If you don't make your mortgage payment, you have that insurance backing you up. So there is all of those possibilities of having, you don't have to have 20% for a down payment. I've also had a lot of people ask me if the, this is telling me something else now. I don't know. Okay, whatever. They're also bringing to the table, oh my gosh, we have to write a full price offer. Every property selling with full price offers, et cetera, et cetera. That's going to be kind of on an individual basis. It's going to kind of be based upon who exactly, what the property is, how long it's been on the market, how many days, is somebody else going to have an offer written on it. Obviously, if there's another offer on it, you do want to be able to give the seller what they're looking for so that they can and will want to accept your offer. However, all prices are negotiable. Homes are selling under list price, even though most of them are selling at price. What is this thing telling me? I don't do Facebook Live a lot, so this is kind of interesting. Yeah, see, I don't do it that often at all. Anyways, I just dropped the phone. So that's one thing. Down payments, price is negotiable. And somebody actually told me today, well, I have an agent, but, I thought I would come to you because I'll be able to get a better deal, et cetera, and so forth. That's kind of a falsity. I don't necessarily think that if you go straight to the listing agent, they're going to give you a better deal. The seller's going to want what they want, and they aren't going to change off of the price, just because the listing agent is representing the buyer and the seller. The seller is usually the one that reaps the rewards off of that. So anyways, all of you guys listening out there, do you have any other questions that I might be able to answer for you today? Any falsity, any questions that maybe, I'm trying to think. People sometimes also think that they don't have the credit that they need to buy a home. I've had people buy homes with as low as a 550 credit score. So don't think that just because your credit isn't in the 700s, you can still buy a home. Not only that, but if we want to, we can check your credit and figure out how to make your credit better so that you can buy a home. Those are all things we can help you do without having to spend extra money to make sure you pay off the right bills or cancel a certain credit card or do things that may actually lower your credit. I guess that's about all I have for today. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and let me know. And I don't know, this thing's telling me swipe left, swipe left. It's not doing anything when I swipe left, but I don't know. Anyways, that's all for today. If you guys have any specific questions, don't hesitate to post them below. It's Wendy Gundry. If you're interested in buying or selling a home, you can give me a call, 661-702-4767. Have a great day.